WallStreetBets, you've done it again. In this video, I'm going to be talking about AMC stock, why it went up, what's going on, and why this has the potential to reach $50 or maybe even $100, depending on how crazy things get. Let's get right into it. So if you've been living under a rock, you might not know that AMC stock recently went up 172%. Literally 5 days ago, the stock was trading at around $3, and today, at the time I'm recording this video, it's actually at $13. So, what does that mean? Why did that happen? Well, if you've also been living under a rock, you might not know that recently Gamestop, again, another company, absolutely exploded. And the reason for that is because of this subreddit community called WallStreetBets. Now, I might make a separate video on what exactly WallStreetBets is, but just as a quick summary, it's a subreddit and pretty much it's a community on a website called Reddit, and what they've been doing is going against short sellers and helping pump up stocks. Like I said, this literally went up 175% within the past day, and it's over 600%, I believe, within the past month. Shares of AMC Entertainment also jumped more than 300% at the opening bell on Wednesday, obviously before market trading or pre-market and post-market trading. The stock has also been halted multiple times so far. What's going on here is another short squeeze, similar to GameStop. Let me quickly explain what a short squeeze is. So a short squeeze is when sellers are forced to close their positions to stem their losses. So pretty much when you're shorting a stock, you're placing a bet that you would profit from a stock going down in value. So what WallStreetBets are doing is they're pretty much doing the opposite. So whenever they find out that a lot of people are shorting a stock, what they're doing is pumping it up, because when you're shorting a stock, if you're betting on the price to go down and you're at a loss and the stock is going up, you're going to tend to buy some of the stock so you can actually even out some of your losses. So again, to pretty much stem your losses back and to kind of break even, you are pretty much going to be buying back the shares that you short. I'm not going to lie, I even ended up buying just one simple share of AMC just to hold it on for the memes, just because, hey, we'll see where this goes. If I completely lose all my money, I'm fine with that. And I do want to say, I do not recommend getting into AMC unless you are okay with this volatility. Please do not put your life savings into this. Please do not go all in on this. If you want to take a risk and if you want to take the gamble, be my guest. But if you are looking to just make, accurate and profitable returns and consistent returns on a predictable basis, honestly, this is just crazy. I don't recommend putting your money into this, but here's one thing that I will say. If you didn't already watch my GameStop video, go check that out, because I talked about why GameStop went up 51%. I'll probably make an update video because now the company, I feel like it might even hit $1,000. But what I said with GameStop was that company was already on a heavy decline, and I didn't see that company actually picking up. For me, in my opinion, there wasn't really any potential long-term growth with the company GameStop. Again, the stock exploded, but the actual company, I didn't really see much with it. But AMC, it's actually different. You see, AMC Entertainment Holdings is pretty much a theater company. And what does that mean? Well, you see, obviously, the whole cinema and that whole industry took a huge hit because of this pandemic that we have going on. And with that being said, it makes a lot of sense why AMC shares absolutely plummeted and went down during this pandemic. Another thing to note is, obviously, when this pandemic is over and people are able to go to the movies again, I expect all these companies to grow. With that also being said, there is another company called Cineplex, which is, I'm assuming, like the Canadian version of AMC, and I actually recently picked up shares of that company for that exact reason. I see a lot of growth in that company due to the fact that when the pandemic is over, people will be going to the movie theaters again. And again, with AMC, I can see the company growing past this pandemic, and I can actually see AMC becoming a company that actually grows, whether or not it gets pumped by WallStreetBets. In my opinion, like I said, I do see long-term growth in AMC, and like I said, I did buy that one meme share just for fun. What do you think about AMC? Do you think it will actually continue to get pumped? The news is honestly crazy. I don't know what's going to happen, but I do want to say, be careful in the markets. Remember, trade for the long term, buy low, sell high, don't make any crazy investments, and again, be sure to invest money that you're okay to lose. And if you're taking high risks, remember, there will be high rewards, but remember, there is a high risk as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like down below, and I do want to say, hey, join my free Discord channel down below, and you'll actually be able to talk to me and all of my other Discord members about stocks, real estate, investing, all this crazy stuff. If you're new around here, consider subscribing, because like I said, I'm going to be covering a lot more videos about the stock market, real estate, investing, entrepreneurship, a bunch of crazy stuff that I think you'll find a lot of value in. With that being said, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you never miss a video, and until next time, remember, stay seeking success.